Okay, so this is my talent video slash those that want to see my mom's reaction to this video. So my talent is a working title, but boils down to basically just breaking and entering, and it's exactly how it sounds. My talent is I'm gonna break into my mom's house and leave her Christmas present there. So we're on the way right now with my husband to go get the present for my mom. She's wanted this for a while. She basically I talked to her about it before we made any decisions. She just doesn't know what she's getting quite yet, but she wanted a pet. Essentially, she wanted a pet, and her only requirements for her pet were something that, because she lives with my aunt, so something that my aunt's not allergic to, and something that she can hug, and is small enough that when it dies, she can bury it easily. So that's the only requirements. The possibilities are endless. We decided to get her a bird, so that's what we're doing right now. So you're gonna come along on this journey as we get the bird and then commit a crime to give it to my mom. Okay, anyway, yay! Here we go. This is the place. This is where we're getting her little bird. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna see about this. Hi, Becky.
And then if you want, once I put these in there, you can put them in the cage.
Yeah, you wanna go get you home? Okay, so we have the bird back home. And here's a little guy. So he has a bedtime. It's almost his bedtime. His bedtime's 8 o'clock, but he's just a baby. He's only 8 weeks old. Very precious little boy. I actually don't know what gender it is. So for right now, it's an it. But yeah, we're gonna take him over to my mom's in a little bit. He's gonna bite your finger off. No.
Who are you recording?
The bird.
Oh.
He's so cute. Also, he's got the poops. He's really nervous.
I don't think your coworkers want to see that.
Why not? Pants time! So, I decided to change so that when I break into my mom's house, I look the part. Okay? My husband's changing, so then we look the part. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm scaring the bird. I'm sorry. Okay, so the plan is I'm coordinating with my aunt because my mom was with my aunt. Essentially, what's gonna happen is after my mom's done with her virtual bingo or bonko, I think it's bonko.
Yeah, it's Bonko.
It's bonko. When my mom's done with her virtual bonko with her friends, they're gonna go upstairs and watch a movie. My aunt's gonna stealthily unlock the door and make sure the gate's open, and then we can sneak in, set up the bird, and then make my mom come downstairs and see. Which makes it sound a lot less exciting, but trust me, it'll work out. Okay, so we just got here. He's a little freaking out.
No, he's a lot better than when we picked him up.
He's a lot better. Yeah. Now we just have to wait for phase 2. Phase 1 was getting the bird. Phase 2 is getting confirmation that we can break in. Okay, got confirmation that my mom's upstairs now. So it's go time. Are you ready to have a home, little buddy? You probably are. Let's do this, baby. Oh my golly, that is not COVID regulations, sirs. So many teenagers in that car. Oh my golly, teenagers. I love teenagers. Just ones. Yes, I did. Just teenagers in the wild scare me. This is my mom's house. We gotta sneak in. scared.
Okay, so she's watching the show.
Okay.
Is the Carol was out there next door? Did you see a bunch of cars out there?
Oh, that's so cute. My mom's house is so cute. So the bird is set up and ready to go. We're just gonna let it chill for a moment and kind of make it look nice in here, I guess. We got the tree on. This doesn't even work. I was trying to get the lamp to work, but it doesn't.
Because it's not plugged in. Your mom doesn't plug anything in, remember?
My mom's energy efficient. She get a new bed with it. Just so that the bird's relaxed. It likes the dark. It's its bedtime. It's past its bedtime. My mom just got eye surgery too, so I wonder if she'll even see this. That's gonna be the funny part. Yeah, poor buddy's getting tired. I guess if you want to scream, you can scream now. This is my husband's talent. It's being loud. Really loud. No, it's just like convention center scream.
I don't know. Come down. I don't know. Come down.
Yeah.
Go away now.
Yeah, the fence was locked. What? Oh! You walked right past it! Oh my gosh! Gosh! How'd they get in? Huh?
How did they get it?
How'd they get in,
I
Claire?
don't know how they get in.
How'd they get in?
She was
walked
so
right
scared.
past.
I saw her face. She's like, "You're from our house. Someone's in our house."
I walked right past. Oh no, my baby! Oh, she's beautiful. Is it a she or a he?
I don't know.
I don't know.
The only way to find out is you have to get it DNA tested.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Aw, how cute. Now you said still a baby, right?
It's still a baby.
Still a baby.
It's still a little
And,
baby.
and it's a lovebird.
It's a lovebird.
Oh
my God. Hello, little rat.
Oh, you should have seen her. What was it? She's like, it could have been from like the fence. And okay, she walked downstairs and she goes right over here. Goes to the door. I'm like, so what? She walked right past it.
We had this all planned.
We had it all planned. We knew all about it.
Is that why you got
Yeah. And so that we could break in and give
See,
you
Belinda wanted to come a little bit earlier, and that's when you said, "Oh, I got that Bronco thing," and so then we had to hurry and call and say, "You got to come a little bit later."
Honey, you're gonna have to come later.
Yeah, this is from.
Now you're gonna have to name it.
Yeah, you'll have to name it, but this is from all of your kids.
Are you from all the kids?
This is so this is our.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Except that one.
Yeah, this is from all your kids. So we all pitched in and we all got the bird for you.
Oh, she's so cute. So I should call Felipe and Anthony, huh?
Yes, and thank them.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
Can send them a Marco.
Film it, but tell them what the bird's name is.
The birdie's name is Baby.
It's a little baby.
Baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, thank you, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, she walked right past it.
She like really freaking loves this bird, and that makes me so happy that she enjoys it. It's something that I was scared to get her, but I knew that she would love it at the end of the day, and it paid off in the end. She like really loves this bird, like to the point where she wants to teach it how to call her mom and say I love you. Not quite sure how I feel about that yet, but you know what, her bird, her choice, that's okay. Anyway, I'm starting to realize that after all of this, that my true talent probably isn't breaking and entering, and I probably shouldn't be promoting that. So please follow the rules, hugs not drugs, all that fun jazz, but please don't actually touch people right now because COVID. Also, I'm starting to realize that my true talent here is simply making my mom happy. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Everyone that's watching. Anyway, have a good night. Love you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. All that fun jazz. Okay, goodbye.